Now Kyle, if you just pan right over here real quick, you can see that my noodles are coming along real nice. In fact, we gotta add a little something for the halfway mark. Oh yeah. Just, you know, let that sit for a minute as well too.
Alright, welcome to tonight's Shokugeki. Today, the theme will be ramen. Okay, we got our two contestants, Jacob Gold and Jason Chang, and the loser has to eat 2 times spicy ramen. You guys have 1 hour. Let's go.
Yeah! Alright, ready? Alright, let's just go.
Set.
Yeah.
Shokugeki!
生まれ変わる今ここで仰いでいた空越えていく握りしめた手のひらのその中に希望があったんだ目の前に広がる景色全部が実はちっぽけだったと気づいた例えば君と出会えば簡単に世界はひっくり返る知らないことだらけで笑えてくがまだまだ先に行ける証が追いかけてた遥か遠く譲れない思いもつ
But make sure you don't get me, okay?
誰も知らない頂きを目指していく
You gotta make sure you stir it up now. Make sure you really mix the flavor in. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, now we gotta let it cook another minute. Okay, I'm just gonna put the lid. Oh my god. I don't want to add too much, otherwise, you know, it might kind of overdo the flavor. So you're just gonna add about half a tablespoon there, about another half right here, and then you're just gonna want to mix it in. Make sure you really get all the powder kind of dissolved in the broth so that you don't get a whole chocolate chunk. You know, that's disgusting. Nobody would want to eat that.
Okay, I gotta add some dried pork as the last topping right here. I'm about to garnish. Okay, right here. Alright, let's get the judge's opinion. This is so bad. This is so bad.
Cheers. You guys should not.
Oh my god. That was so good. Oh.
I'm melting.
Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh.
Ew, this is fucking nasty.
Alrighty. How is it?
Oh my god, that's worse than the last one. Both of you guys fail. Both of you guys are eating the spicy ramen. What the fuck?
So as losers of the Shokugeki, we have to eat this noodles, but since this stupid judge quit his job, you're gonna go first.
Yeah,
You gotta go first.
Yeah.
Oh. Hot, just like Jason's mom.
This thing is the devil.
I know, honestly. Alright. Even though it's not my big, thanks to Jason's big and Jacob's big for the task. It was a lot of fun. Josh is here too.
Oh, it was not a lot of fun. What?
He's mad to say, but yeah. We had a lot of fun.
Oh my god.
Wait, more milk!
Oh god, your face.